So this is Hiccup. He's about 1.5 years old. As you can see, he's very lovable. He loves attention. He actually just came up here from North Carolina, and he's new to the shelter, just moved in, yet he is just dying for attention. He loves belly rubs, and not all cats do, but he definitely does, yes. You do. He's a handsome buff boy. What you thinking? Are you handsome? Are you handsome? There we go. Oh, he's following my hands wherever it goes. So if you are interested, he caught his head on the carrier, so he has a little boo-boo behind his ear, but it's healing very nicely now. So if you are interested in meeting this handsome boy, please go to our website and fill out an online application, and we will schedule you an appointment. What do you think about that? Yes, he says he'd love to meet you.